Hi, my name is Dr. Sung Won, a surgeon, regenerative and lifestyle medicine specialist who has passion for preventing and reversing chronic disease. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about one of the most important molecules in our body. Many experts now believe deficient production of this molecule is one of the major causes for chronic disease people are suffering from, such as cardiovascular disease, stroke, metabolic syndrome, and dementia. In 1998, Nobel Prize was awarded to 3 American scientists for discovering the function of this molecule as a key signaling molecule in cardiovascular system. Since then, over 175,000 scientific papers have been written about this molecule and has been found to be essential in many other bodily systems such as immune system, nervous system, and many others. This molecule is known as nitric oxide. So what is nitric oxide? Nitric oxide is gas composed of nitrogen and oxygen. It is one of the most important signaling molecules that is found throughout the body and produced naturally. It was initially known as a signaling molecule in cardiovascular system, but now it's coined as the miracle molecule as it plays so many critical roles in our body. So how do we produce nitric oxide? There are 2 main pathways. First is called the endothelial pathway. Endothelium is a single cell layer located in the inner layer of the arteries. When shear stress is detected, nitric oxide synthase, an enzyme found in the endothelium, is stimulated to convert amino acid L-arginine into nitric oxide. This is a very complex system. Unfortunately, as we age, we damage the endothelium and lose our ability to produce nitric oxide. By age 40, we lose about 50%, and by age 60, we lose about 85% of our ability to produce nitric oxide. This is one of the main reasons why after age 40, many people experience increase in blood pressure, gain extra weight, experience brain fogginess, fatigue, and increase in blood sugar, leading to prediabetes. Fortunately, we have a second pathway, and it is called nitrate-nitrite pathway. By consuming food high in nitrate-rich dark green leafy vegetables such as arugula, beet, spinach, and celery, our body can produce nitric oxide through our GI system. First, nitrate in green leafy vegetables is converted to nitrite by oral bacteria on our tongue. Then, when it gets into our stomach, it converts nitrite into nitric oxide. Here are the top 10 proven health benefits of nitric oxide. Number 1, promotes healthy heart. Nitric oxide is important to heart health. Its vasodilating effect protects the heart from effects of hypertension. It also prevents platelets from clumping and forming blood clots, which is the main cause of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, nitric oxide reduces low-grade inflammation. This low-grade inflammation contributes to the development of atherosclerosis and other heart disease. Because nitric oxide also functions as an antioxidant, it can protect the heart from harmful effects of free radicals and oxidants. This health effect can help reduce the risk of developing heart problems such as heart attacks, atherosclerosis, and hypertension. Number 2, slow down the aging process. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. Its main function is to turn the food we eat into energy. As we grow older, our cells' mitochondria activities decline. In fact, its declining level and activities contribute to the normal aging process. Studies have shown that nitric oxide is known to boost the mitochondrial health and help maintain cellular balance. Number 3, reduces diabetic complication risks. Poor blood circulation results in diabetic complications such as heart disease, diabetic retinopathy, kidney failure, nerve damage, and foot gangrene, resulting in amputation, among others. Nitric oxide's effect on blood vessel improves blood flow and helps reduce diabetes risks. It also improves insulin sensitivity. Number 4, improves brain functions. Nitric oxide plays an important role in the way our brain cells transmit signals. It's also vital to brain's blood circulation. Low brain nitric oxide levels, according to studies, contribute to the development of brain disease. Nitric oxide's vasodilating effect promotes better blood flow throughout the brain. With the good blood flow, our brain cells receive adequate supply of oxygen, nutrients, and minerals essential to a healthy brain. This improves brain performance. Number 5, Mobilize stem cells. Nitric oxide is an important molecule, affects gene expression at the level of transcription and translation, and regulates cell survival and proliferation in diverse cell types, including pluripotent stem cells. Many studies have also shown nitric oxide modulates mobilization of mesenchymal stem cells. Number 6, increases energy levels. As mentioned earlier, the cell's mitochondria converts nutrients we eat into energy. The more mitochondria that produces the energy, the higher the energy level. According to some studies, people with sedentary lifestyle have lower amounts of mitochondria. They are also at risk of mitochondrial dysfunction. Nitric oxide boosts mitochondrial activities. It also increases mitochondrial density. These effects help increase energy levels. Number 7, improve erectile dysfunction. To maintain erection, there has to be adequate blood flow. Unfortunately, age, chronic medical disease, and medications can cause erectile dysfunction. Lack of blood flow is the main cause of erectile dysfunction and can be considered one of the first signs of cardiovascular disease. Nitric oxide, as a potent vasodilator, relaxes the blood vessels in the penis. This increases the blood flow and fills the blood vessels. These effects help achieve and maintain an erection. Nitric oxide is also a neurotransmitter in nerve cells that is released once it receives signals from the brain and initiates the erectile process. Number 8, increases telomere. Telomeres are structures found at the end of our chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up by 2 DNA strands. Now, telomeres protect our chromosomes and prevent DNA strands from unraveling and splitting apart. Without telomeres, our DNA won't be able to function properly. Unfortunately, our telomeres weaken and shorten as we age. Studies reveal that nitric oxide has the ability to prevent age-related telomere shortening and even increase the length. It also has the ability to boost the telomere activities. Number 9, improves athletic performance. Nitric oxide, as mentioned earlier, boosts energy level by boosting mitochondrial function and density. It also dilates the blood vessels during the exercise program, allowing the muscles to receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. These effects in turn improve athletic performance. According to one study, nitric oxide supplements increase exercise capacity, endurance, and tolerance. It has shown to improve athletic performance by 16%. It also helps improve time to exhaustion. Number 10, promotes healthy immune system. Immune cells, especially macrophages, release nitric oxide. These macrophages are responsible for detecting pathogens. They engulf these pathogens and destroy them. They also help in eliminating toxins and other cellular debris. One study revealed that macrophages produce and release nitric oxide, and increasing nitric oxide levels can help immune systems control the infection caused by pathogens such as bacteria and other pathogenic organisms. So how do we increase production of nitric oxide? It's by eating foods high in nitrates. Foods high in nitrate can produce nitric oxide in our GI system. Foods you might want to consider adding to your diet include dark green leafy vegetables such as arugula, rhubarb, Swiss chard, spinach, beets, and butterleaf lettuce. Fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants are especially important. They boost your body's nitric oxide levels, at the same time enhance its bioavailability. To improve your overall health, you may also want to consider adding nitric oxide booster to your daily health regimen. Thanks for joining us today. For more information, visit neogenlife.com and follow us on social media for the latest blogs, recipes, and other health and nutrition resources.